before this day unfolds, before you check your phone, before the world asks anything of you. Take these next few minutes to remember something important. The energy you begin your morning with has the power to influence everything that follows. Today, you're not chasing wealth. You are becoming the kind of person who naturally welcomes it. Not because you are very lucky, not because life is suddenly easier, but because your mind, your heart, and your energy are opening to possibilities that were always there. Let's begin. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your hands rest gently wherever they feel most comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in peace and breathe out any tension you carried from yesterday. One more deep breath, inhaling fresh energy and exhaling anything you no longer need. Feel yourself arriving in this new morning. New beginning. A fresh page. A new opportunity to create something beautiful. Now simply notice your breath without changing it. Just noticing every inhale, every exhale. Now with every inhale, invite calm. And with every exhale, release any worries. You don't have to control every outcome. You don't have to have all the answers. For these few minutes, you simply allow yourself to be present. Because presence is where clarity begins. And clarity often becomes opportunity. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Imagine a gentle golden light glowing there. Warm, comforting, steady. With every breath, that light becomes brighter. Expanding through your chest, into your shoulders, down your arms, through your entire body. This light represents your inner balance, the abundance you carry. Not money, not possessions, but the quiet knowing that life has already given you so much. Take a moment to appreciate something simple, like your breath, your body, the roof above your head, perhaps someone who loves you. Or the chance to begin again today. Gratitude is powerful because it shifts us from scarcity to abundance. When we appreciate what already exists, we naturally become open to receiving even more. Now imagine this golden light expanding beyond your body, filling the room around you. As it expands, imagine it attracting beautiful possibilities. Meaningful conversations, helpful people, unexpected opportunities, creative ideas, financial growth, random acts of kindness, the right doors opening at exactly the right time. You don't need to force any of it. Simply allow yourself to believe that life is capable of surprising you with wonderful ways. There are opportunities already moving toward you. Some are visible, some still unseen. Trust that what is meant for you can find you, especially when your heart remains open. Sit with this thought for a few breaths. Now repeat these affirmations slowly in your mind or softly aloud. Pause after each one and allow the words to settle within you. I welcome this new day with an open heart. I am grateful for everything I already have. I choose thoughts that support abundance. I notice opportunities that others overlook. My mind is clear. My heart is calm. My actions create positive results. I deserve to prosper while remaining kind and generous. Money is one form of abundance, and I welcome it with gratitude and wisdom. Opportunities appear in expected and unexpected ways. I trust that the right doors will open at the right time. I release the fear that there is never enough. Life has more possibilities than I can currently imagine. Every day, I grow in confidence, capability, and abundance. I attract people who inspire and support my journey. I am becoming someone who creates value wherever I go. I celebrate the success of others, knowing there is more than enough for everyone. I receive today's blessings with gratitude. Now take another slow breath and imagine yourself moving through your day, walking with quiet confidence, smiling more often, speaking with kindness, listening carefully, making thoughtful decisions, being present when opportunities arrive. Notice how different the day feels when you expect good things to happen. Expectations changes perception, and perception changes action. Many opportunities don't suddenly appear. They become visible because you are finally looking through the hopeful eyes. Today, choose curiosity instead of worry, possibility instead of doubt, gratitude instead of fear. And remember, abundance is not only measured by money, it is found in peace, in meaningful work, in healthy relationships, in good health, in wisdom, in generosity. And as these grow, financial abundance often follows naturally. The more value you bring into the world, the more opportunities find their way back to you. Trust the process, trust your journey, but most importantly, trust yourself. Now place one hand gently over your heart and take a deep breath and silently say, I welcome today with gratitude. I am ready for new opportunities. I am open to abundance. I will notice the blessings already on their way. Now hold that feeling in your heart and let it become the emotional foundation of your day. Carry it into every conversation, every decision, every challenge, every opportunity. Because the energy you bring into today has the power to shape what today brings back to you. Thank you so much for sharing these peaceful moments with me. And if this meditation brought you a sense of hope and possibility, I would love to hear from you. In the comments, finish the sentence. I am open to receiving. May your day be filled with peace, meaningful opportunities, and abundant blessings. Now take a gentle breath, smile, and step into your day knowing that good things are possible.